Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to post a GIF on Parler. So let's go to Parler. As you can see, there's this red button in the bottom right corner. We have to click on it, and as you can see, we're now in the section where you normally add a post. Now instead of writing, we have to click on this gallery icon right there, or a photo icon, and let's just choose photo from our gallery. I have saved a GIF right there. Let's use that, and if you want, you can describe your GIF like a cute that's not supposed to be cute, a cute doggo. As you can see, the GIF that I've chosen from the gallery is right there, and I have described it, and now all it's left to do is just to click on the submit button in the bottom right corner. So let's do exactly that. Wait for a while and then refresh the mobile application, and as you can see, we have added a post with a GIF file. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Goodbye.